Welcome to this beautifully remodeled home, offering in-town privacy on more than a quarter-acre lot. You'll enjoy the best in indoor and outdoor living in a peaceful setting, yet you're just minutes away from town, shopping, and schools. A covered front porch and new craftsman-style door invite you inside. You'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior recently remodeled with upgraded materials throughout. Relax by the see-through fireplace and enjoy the spacious feel and flow of this open concept floor plan. The delightful kitchen upgrades include new granite counters, newer cabinets, and a stainless steel stove and range. From the newer flooring throughout to the vaulted ceilings and new lighting, it's better than new construction with a warm ambiance. Designed with a farm-inspired theme, it features wood accents and a sliding barn door. You can relax in your private master suite. It's complete with an elegant, updated full bath. Heading outside, a huge deck is ready for entertaining. Or enjoy late-night gatherings with friends and family on the covered patio by the fire pit. And a 10 by 10 foot she shed is perfect for any number of uses. And last but not least, you'll find paved RV parking. A gorgeous, updated home with thoughtful personal touches in a beautiful setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Erin Warren with Premier Property Group at 503-319-0490.